Hi everyone, Miss J's Reviews here. Today I am reviewing the Sam's Choice loaded potato skins with chives and bacon and cheese. I made them in my toaster oven. Let them sit for a little while, so maybe they're not so hot. They don't look too bad. Look like they could use, some of them could use a little bit more bacon. It probably would be even better with a little bit of sour cream on the top. And this one, the cheese kind of melted off the side, so I just pulled it off, stuck it back on there because it was made kind of messy. So I will give these a try and let you know what I think. Cameraman taking another bite. Pretty good. Got that nice baked potato taste to it. Although I really don't taste the toppings. Did you?
Cheese.
Well, they didn't really taste the cheese either. So it's a little bland on the flavor side, even though they look good. But it's okay. Probably, like I said, probably be better with a little sour cream on there, because that makes it better. Really be loaded then. But go out and pick these up at your local Walmart. Thanks. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.